Got a little giant ladder. The feet go bad on it. And the wheel falls apart. Really easy to change. You get call the company, email them, send you a kit, lifetime warranty for your original owner. Screwdriver underneath it. Oops. Get that free. Oh, whoops, this one's being a little more tricky. It's all corroded. This thing's in really bad shape. 2012. Put it like that. I'm not over it. Hold on. That's the other one, came off a lot easier. Trying to do it on video. Should really use 2 screwdrivers. One to pry up on it, and the other to wiggle it off. I got that one off though. I see. Catch the tab. Put screwdriver all the way down, and then tap. See it coming off? Then you can just bam, wiggle it off. I've done way harder than this. As you see, you're just trashed. And they'll send you new ones. Don't buy the kit on eBay for $50. You're just making that guy rich. And I need some cleaning. Do it on all 4. Put your new ones on. Here's the kit they send you. There you go. There's the kit. You get it. They send it to you. Lifetime warranty. Give them my information they request. The wheels are direction specific. Like this is for that one. And this side is for this one. So keep that in mind. I also got a little piece of Scotch-Brite. I don't know what I do with it. I just cleaned up the area because it's aluminum and this ladder has not been treated correctly. All faded. And 2012 goes in there. Thinking about putting a little grease around it, but eh. Lift tab. Kind of tricky to get on with one hand. Easy with 2 hands. Just gotta lift that tab up and then pop it on so it locks. Fits kind of tight. Yeah, that can happen too. Old parts. Junky ladder. Nude pots.